Namaskaram, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Sat Shri Akal and Salam Alaikum. Welcome back to my third session on Secrets of Universe. First of all, thank you all for your feedback given on my previous two videos. Today I would like to share a story which is related to our subject. Hope, okay, I should not say it's interesting or not. You guys have to decide and confirm. So, but this story is related to our topic. Okay, so let us quickly jump into the story. Once upon a time, there is a very rich, wealthy, and greedy man. Okay, so who have a lot of wealth, and but only problem is he is not serving society or not helping any poor and all. Still, he is not satisfied with his wealth and all. And one day he went to one Swamiji and requested that Swamiji, I need more wealth and more rich, and my position should be more and all. So Swamiji knows about his behavior. He observes it and says that, okay, fine, let me do one thing. I will give you one seed which once you sow into the soil, after some time it will grow as a plant and tree, and you will get all golden flowers and golden fruits. But on one condition. Then greedy man says, yes Swamiji, I am ready to hear whatever conditions you are saying. Please tell me what is the condition. Then Swamiji tells him that you need to construct some houses to the poor in so and so in city, as well as my ashram is becoming too old and on a demolition stage, so please construct a new ashram as well as houses to the poor. So greedy man agrees. Okay, he calculates, I am going to have a golden tree which gives golden flowers and golden fruits throughout the year. So let me do this and it should not be a problem. So in no time he finishes his promise. He constructs houses to the poor and then the ashram. So one fine day he came to the Swamiji and then asked, Swamiji, I fulfilled my promise, it's your turn now. Then Swamiji says, okay, good, thank you first of all for helping the poor and constructing ashram. You do one thing, you come back to me in the evening so that I'll give you and give the conditions. So greedy man was very happy and he went back to his home and comes back very happily in the evening. So he met the Swamiji. Swamiji opens one precious box and take out that seed and hand over to the greedy man and tells him that, okay, you need to sow this seed before sunrise, mostly before 6 a.m. in the morning, that too in your backyard. No one should be there surrounding you, and you need to sow that in the morning, early morning. Then he happily thinks, okay, Swamiji, this is very good, it shouldn't be a problem. I will be going all alone and sow the seed. Then he says, okay, one more condition. While sowing this seed, you should not think about monkey. If monkey comes in your mind, even though you sow the seed, that plant don't give you golden flowers and golden fruits. Then greedy man says, okay Swamiji, it's very simple, so it shouldn't be a problem. And he happily returns to home and tells his wife and his kids that I got a seed which will give me golden flowers and fruits. So that night he was always thinking about not to think about monkey and go to bed. And next day morning he freshen up and always he's thinking about monkey, not to think about monkey. So hope you expected what happened. So in his entire lifetime he could not sow the seed because he's always thinking not to think about monkey. So that is the power of saying the words attaching as no and don't as one of the law of attraction theorems. So if for example Swamiji simply told that and not told that not to think about monkey, he would have sown the seed, right? So it is the same way our brain or our conscious or subconscious brain works. Okay, so as part of law of attraction, you have two things, like what you don't want and what you want. So instead of thinking what you don't want, convert those sentences into positive, like what exactly you want. So in a journal, you can have a T-shaped journal. Left hand side, you write what you don't want. So while you are asking the universe, don't ask what you don't want. You just convert that word or that sentence into positive as what you want. For example, I don't want stress in my work. That is your want, yeah? So how to convert it into positive? On the right hand side, you can write, I want to work peacefully and happily, yeah? This is one of the example. Hope you like the story. If you like it, please like on my link, share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.